Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve the password you supplied is not correct Excel error. This error appears when you attempt to unprotect the cells with wrong password. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix the password you supplied is not correct Excel error using 5 fixes. Solution 1. Rename the Excel file. The very first solution you can try is renaming your Excel file. To do so, go to the location where your faulty Excel file is saved. Then, right-click on the file and rename it. Solution 2. Open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed plugins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win plus R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 3. Disable Protected View in Excel. By default, Excel activates certain protected view settings. This is meant to prevent you from opening a potentially infected file downloaded from the internet, sent to you in an email, etc. So, let's disable the protected view. Open Excel. Select the File menu option. Select Options. Select Trust Center. And click on Trust Center Settings. Next, select Protected View. And uncheck the desired items, all 3 if you use Outlook for email. Finally, enjoy opening all of your Excel files without the Protected View nuisance banner. Solution 4. Use Open and Repair tool. If the password you supplied is not correct error has occurred due to file corruption, you can use the Open and Repair tool. It is a built-in Excel utility that allows you to repair the corrupted Excel file and solve the error. To run this tool, you have to ensure to close all the Excel files. Open the Excel application. Go to the file. Then open. Under the dialog box that opens, click on the Browse to choose an Excel file that is showing this error. Once you have selected the file, click on a small drop-down arrow next to an Open button. Click Open and Repair. Then Repair. Solution 5. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing the password you supplied is not correct Microsoft Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.